Have you ever wished that you could make use of the rumble feature of your game controller? You could use it to let your robot give you feedback, or you could use it to alert the driver that it's 10 seconds before endgame. Well, your wish has been granted. Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Phil, and I am coach of the GeForce FTC team, and I'm a member of the FTC tech team. I'm going to show you some of the features that are in the new 2021-2022 software development kit and the standard apps that you run on your phone or your control hub or your driver station this year. I'll also show you some new samples that exist in the software development kit, and you can use these to create your own Rumble features. So stand by and check it out.